Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they say they cut out thousands of buttons at a time. I'm going to move that bitmap out of the way for just a second so we can just grab the circle. And if you look at it with the shape tool, he even mentioned nodes. Your nodes are always on the top of this. And you know, you could put your two nodes close together here and it would cut that one, then move right to here. But then you're the opposite on the other side. So I wouldn't worry about moving your nodes. But if we look at the cut order, and I shouldn't really say this because I don't know about all lasers, but it's gonna cut from the bottom up. So your laser head starts here, it's gonna cut that one. So it's gonna have to travel all over there. Your next cut is that one. Then it's gonna come back and then so it's going back and forth. That's kind of the way you kind of set it up. I'm going to delete all these. As a matter of fact, I'm going to, and just for some reason, your circle's not a perfect circle. It's, well, that one is, the other one wasn't. So what we can do, and probably the easiest way to do it would be to Control D and make a duplicate and just kind of move that one over. He had them pretty far spaced out. Control D, Control D. Well, I got them spaced out too far. Let me back up here. Let's move that one over not so far. Because what's going to happen now, it's going to cut them in this order. It's going to cut them that one, that one, that one, that one. So it's going to go quicker already. Now we're going to take this one. I'm going to just hit the plus key this time. And I'm going to put it right there. And then I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm just going to manually move it over and hit the plus key. The reason I'm not doing the duplicate distance because I don't want it to do duplicates. And then hit the plus key one more time and put it there. He's got it actually better than I'm doing it as far as getting them apart. Now you, see, that's why I don't Control D. Control D and move it over, put it in about that spot, and then you can Control D, Control D. So even though they're not fitting in there perfectly, but it's going to cut that one first, that one second, third, fourth. Now, this one's going over there. It's moving from there to there. You could actually move that. We could take that one and move it here. So now it's cutting. This is our fourth one. Our fifth one is there, which is correct. Our sixth one needs to be moved up to here. So now it's going to cut there, 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 there. That's about the best cut order you could have because it's going down and back over. Now, the reason I put the bitmap, and on this really it doesn't matter. If it was engraving, you'd want these all in a perfect line. But you can very easily have this laid out and then just keep making duplicates of your face of this young man, and it will snap to the center of there. Well, maybe the picture's not in the center. There we go. And just go and just bring them in. So you could have this template made. Maybe that's going to be harder than I thought. Let's try this. Let's try grabbing them both and going EC. There we go. Just put it in there anywhere close. EC. So you could have a master template of cut order and then put, because I can't imagine they're all going to be the same picture every time. But you could have this cut order already made and then just make you a bunch of photographs. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.